Good morning, Year 6, and welcome to Lightcliffe Academy. My name's Miss Woodives and I'm the head of school. I'd like to introduce you to Mr. Cross.
Director for Key Stage 3. That means I work with Year 7, 8 and 9 from a pastoral perspective, but also from an active to make sure you can get the best grades possible whilst you're here at Lightcliffe Academy. We have a message for you. We want to bring you on a big adventure to us. And an amazing experience whilst you're here with us at Lightcliffe Academy. We are all student, and that to be not but we pastorally with your friends. We want you to have the best time socially. We want you to have the best time in all the curriculum, including drama, sport and art. Also want to in those academic subjects such as English, maths and science. We really want to have the best opportunities for your life for when you get out in the future, to make sure you can really pursue those careers that you really want to do and develop you as the whole student, don't we, Mr. Benrose?
We do. And you probably gathered I'm not Miss Woodives, I'm Mr. Benrose. I'm a member of the senior leadership team who's in charge of transition, and so your sort of changes from the primary school to secondary school and making sure you're as happy as possible is my job. We really concentrate on the whole student in that process. We really want you to sort of, it's one of the biggest, we want you to sort of really understand that we really want to sort of have a wraparound care with regard to yourselves and joining our community. Not just the community within the school, but also maybe looking further just in the locality, but also then hopefully at some stage taking you further afield with nationally and also internationally possibly. The school itself, we have some fantastic facilities. The drama studio is second to none, and Mr. Cross will speak about how that fits into the curriculum. But also we've got some wonderful sports facilities. They are second to none. There's not a school in this authority that has an AstroTurf, as well as a climbing wall, as well as a dance studio, as well as a full-size sports hall and a gymnasium and fitness suite. We also have a wonderful nurture room, which is something new to us, and it's there really to sort of look after those special needs that the students have, to give them the wraparound care. And finally, we have some wonderful science labs and art rooms which actually really give you a great opportunity to improve your learning.
So we want Lightcliffe journey with us when you start with us in Year 7. We want to make sure you have the best experience possible. We have 5 at Lightcliffe Academy, which I'm going to talk you through shortly. But you're going to go on a journey along those 5 school values, and you'll wear your blazer. You're going to meet some of our Year 7 students later who already have some of these badges. Short half term, Mr. Benrose.
Well, I haven't got any of those.
He doesn't deserve them, guys, but we do. And these Year 7 students really do. And they've done really incredibly well so far. And they're going to talk to you a little bit about their experience since they've joined us at Lightcliffe Academy. But before I talk to you a little about what we can offer for you here, we have an team. As Mr. Benrose says, we offer a really nurturing environment, which I'll talk through with you shortly. But our are always here for you all day, every day, to work with you with any issues that you might have in school if anything should arise.
We have lots of sports opportunities. Currently we are West Yorkshire champions at certain age groups at football within the school, and we always represent the school with pride and passion in any of the sports that really any of the students wish to sort of participate in.
Every year we offer a Year 7 showcase at the end of the year. We offer a Key Stage 3 show every year, and we offer a whole school production. Now this year that whole school production can't go ahead because of obviously the COVID situation, but we've not missed a school show in the previous 12 years. So we are really looking forward to being able to offer that to you next year when you come and join us in September.
We're also in a similar situation with the clubs. So at the moment, clubs are actually on hold, but most subjects will offer a club, whether it's an art club, whether it's a maths cafe, they call it, or even down into the science clubs.
Absolutely. As I said before, we have this strong nurturing environment. We have our nurture room where you can go if you are feeling a bit upset for the day. You can work with Miss Barr every day, and she'll come and see you and see how you're getting on. You can come and speak to her about some of your problems. We really want you to have the best experience whilst at school with us, and realise that that comes with much more than just the academic subjects. It develops you as a whole person and makes you the best person you can be, doesn't it, sir?
It does. And also about you being the best person maybe you can be will also give you the opportunity to travel not only on local trips but also on some international visits. I've been fortunate enough to go to New York, to Spain, to Italy, to France, to Bangladesh. And also one of the sort of highlights of my life was actually taking some students to Tanzania in Africa.
That's amazing. You've been on a lot of trips. I wish I could go on them. We also go on a lot of local trips, don't we, sir, as well? We go on a lot of theatre trips in the drama department.
Of course, yeah.
You take a lot of people to sporting events, don't you?
Sporting events. We've been to Manchester United. We seem to get some tickets from there quite regularly. So we've actually as many opportunities that we can. The staff in the school will support the students 100% of the time.
And we have got loads of rewards on offer while at school as well, including 190 of our Year 9 students this week are going to have 2 lessons off timetable to enjoy a film. 2 lessons off timetable to enjoy a film. 190 of our 250 Year 9 students.
Exactly.
So we're really trying to reward as many students as possible that are really getting it right and making sure that they are doing the best that they possibly can. Lots of sweets, weekly sweets on offers, lots of little rewards, including our badges, which I mentioned before, which you'll see on the Students lapel soon, which feature these 5 school values that we have of dignity, aspiration, respect, endeavour and service.
Is that dares, sir?
Yes, sir, it really does. So the aspiration is the A, respect is the R, endeavour is the E and service is the S. And we want the journey experience all 5 in full and really get the full Lightcliffe experience. And when you do get all 5 badges, sir, you get to keep the little purple flame badge as well. So just like the purple flame you can see before you, you will get that little badge of the purple flame to really show that you have reached all 5 of our school values during your time here at Lightcliffe Academy, which is something really good.
Tremendous.
So I want you to think about what of our Year 7 students about what you would like your Lightcliffe journey to look like. Is there anything we've spoken to you about today that you're thinking, oh, that sounds really good? And you can always send us an email into the school and ask us any questions that you might have about you could have Academy.
Maybe it might be a visit they want to go on. It might be how they could win some of those badges, sir.
Hey, absolutely. If you would like to have a look around the school, please let us know and we can always organise that. If you get your parents to get in touch with the school, we can organise a visit so you can come and have a look around Lightcliffe Academy during the day. But the next important thing of the day is we want you to see some of our students. Have a look if you can spot any familiar faces. All 6 of these students you're going to hear from in a second have all come from a different primary school, sir. So 6 different primary schools, and they've all been able to achieve some of our school value badges, as you'll see on their blazers when they introduce themselves to you and talk a bit about their time at school. Now, I think some of them are a bit nervous, guys, doing this live.
I can understand
So, yeah,
that.
exactly. But I'm really looking forward to introducing them to you. And we're going to start off by introducing you to Noah and Phoebe.
Hi, I'm Phoebe and I went to St Michael's.
Hi, I'm Nora and I went to St John.
My concerns were walking around the school to find my classes and to be safe with COVID.
I was scared about walking around the school because I was scared I would get lost.
At the beginning of Year 7, it was good because we had the day to ourselves and a tour around the school.
On our first day, we had the whole entire school to ourselves and no older children, and all of the teachers were very welcoming and kind.
Since I joined, I enjoy drama. It's my favourite subject. I also enjoy PE. I also enjoy meeting my form class.
Since I joined, my favourite subject is PE because I like all the variety of sports.
I like that in different subjects we didn't do lots of hard work and we went through the basic stuff first.
I find the work challenging in a fun way and all the teachers are very helpful.
Overall, I'm excited to carry on my journey at Lightcliffe Academy and to make new memories.
I'm really enjoying being at Lightcliffe Academy and I can't wait to succeed here.
Thank you so much, guys. Next, we're going to Summer and Lakeisha.
Hi, my name is Summer and I used to attend Shelf Junior and Infant Primary School. I joined Lightcliffe Academy in September as a Year 7.
Hi, my name is Lakeisha and I used to go to Hilltop Primary School. I also joined Lightcliffe Academy in September. Today we are going to talk about our experiences at Lightcliffe Academy.
Including what we were worrying about.
There were many things that we were worried about before we started secondary school.
I worried a lot about changing class, and even though we haven't had many opportunities to change classrooms a lot, I already feel more confident.
I was worried about the COVID-19 situation and how everything's going to work at school.
However, the school has done a lot to keep us safe. They've put us in bubbles and split our lunches and breaks so we're not mixing with other people. We also have to wear masks in corridors to keep us safe.
Here at Lightcliffe Academy, my experiences have been great since I joined.
I am farm captain of my farm. I think it's a great opportunity that a lot of other people could enjoy as well.
Another good thing that we have here at the Academy is that during lunch and break times we have many options in terms of food and drink. We also have large open spaces to let us relax during our lunches and breaks.
One of the best things about Lightcliffe Academy is the way we do work. The teachers explain everything so we can understand clearly. Even then, if we don't understand something, the teachers will go out of their way to help you.
Here, practical subjects such as PE are nice and challenging but still really fun to take part in. Being at Lightcliffe Academy has been a large step up from primary school, but it has been the best.
I'm really happy at Lightcliffe Academy, and I think many of you will be too.
Thank you, guys. And finally, hear from Dylan and Luke.
Hi, my name is Luke and I went to Cliff Hill Community Primary School.
Hi, my name's Dylan and I went to Fox Hill Primary School.
Before I joined high school, I wasn't really scared because I knew the teachers would show us around the school.
The only thing I was worried about was making friends, but when I got here I realised everyone was really nice.
They made it really easy on the first day because they showed us all around.
Easy, because on the first day it was just year 7 and nobody else.
At the moment we can't attend any sports teams, but we will be able to next year.
There will be teams, rugby teams, art clubs and drama clubs.
My favourite teacher is Mr Holworth because if there is any tough work he will help us.
The work is a lot harder, but the teachers are always there to help us through.
So far the school is amazing because the help and support on the work makes it easier.
I've really enjoyed Lightcliffe so far and I think it is a great school for you.
Thank you so much to our Year 7 students for that there. And thank you to you guys for coming today and listening and watching.
Yes, and it's really down to you. We'd love to see you next September, but really you have to make your own choices, and we really want you to make that choice for the best reasons. If you listen to what we said today, there's some great reasons there to choose us.
Absolutely. Thank you very much.